being inconsistent is absolutely killing the way you trade. In this video, it's going to be fairly short. I'm going to keep it short and sweet and explain to you guys how I'm being more consistent than ever with my trading and seeing the best growth ever with the less stress on my shoulders. I used to be completely stressed about trading, not making enough money, not losing money on my funded accounts, blowing funded accounts, and I finally think I personally cracked it. For the last 3 months, it's been amazing. Best trading experience of my life. I've been getting payout after payout, and I'm about to have my first month with 3 payouts in 1 month, and this is about to be huge. So let me show you guys what I'm doing, how I'm keeping it consistent, a strategy that's back tested over multiple years. I have 1 year of back test here, which is 2024. It is profitable with over a 43% win rate last year. This year though, it has like a over 60% win rate, I think, on the 1-2, and like an 80% win rate on a 1-1, which is absolutely insane. But across 200 trades, this win rate is very good on a 1-2, and it's a super simple strategy. It takes no brain power to use. And let me show you guys exactly what I'm talking about and how I've been able to grow my funded accounts. So first off, I want to show you guys the power of consistency in trading, right? So if we look at this account right here, this is a funded account that's up $2,100 right now. But at one point, it was $300 away from being blown. It was at $47,000, as y'all can see, $871, right? That's not good at all. But because I decided to be consistent with it, not switch up, didn't lower my risk because we were about to lose, kept everything the same, I was able to bring this thing from the trenches back up, because you are going to run into loss streaks no matter if it's a profitable strategy. As you can see right here, 4 loss streak, 4 loss streak, 3 loss streak, big loss streaks eventually, but the win streaks are going to outweigh the losses, obviously, if you're trading a profitable strategy in the long term. Now, what did I do? If we go to the calendar, we see I've had 5 days this month already that are $1,000 days pretty much, except this one I sold the bag and missed $100, but these are all $1,000 trades pretty much. 1 loss, these are all 1-2s. If we go back to April, this was the loss streak I was having, right? I was losing, then we had another $1,000 days to start recovering, but I was losing, right? I was losing. Now, if we go to one of my other accounts that I got multiple payouts from, actually, this 11 account right here, this account, I've gotten 2 payouts from, and I'm about to get a third. So if we go back to if we actually go back to March was an amazing month. I got a payout right here, as you can see. April was a decent month. I mean, it had a lot of red in it, not too many trade opportunities, but still ended up green. And then if we go over to May has been a beautiful month so far with only 1 loss. Personally, this was supposed to be a loss, but I actually wasn't home that day, so I skipped out on it. But I would have lost that trade. Now, why am I showing you this? Because I stayed consistent. I trade the same way every single day. I don't switch up my risk for no reason, just because I feel like it. I switch it for a reason, for how much drawdown the account is at, etc. That's the only reason I would switch a trade risk, okay? Now, what is this strategy I'm trading? This is a 15-minute orb, okay? The 15-minute orb is a fairly simple strategy. I'll break it down here real quick for you guys. But again, if you guys want access to all of this back-tested data, complete tutorials on a bunch of strategies and everything for free, check the link in the top of the description. Join the free Discord. We post every single trade broken down step by step. It's not just me, it's me and my team. We post literally everything there for you guys to take a look at. Broken down, win or loss, it doesn't matter. We also have a bunch of free guides and free video guides on the strategies themselves that you can take a look at and understand for free. So go ahead and check that up. Join up in there. We trade live in there every single morning as well. Now, what is this strategy that I'm talking about? Why am I getting so many payouts now all of a sudden with these funded accounts? 15-minute orb, super simple. Thank you to my boy Isaac for putting me on. It's getting traction now. He's been trading this for over 2 years though. How do you actually trade it? All you got to do, literally, go to the 15-minute time frame. You draw out, mark out the first, that 9:30 candle, the high, and the low, and that candle's going to close at 9:45. Then you go to the 5-minute time frame. You wait for a candle closure below or outside of this range. So real quick, this one we would wait for a candle closure outside. So you see we get this a 5-minute candle closes outside, but we then need a retest. And then I will go for 50 points on NQ. This is an NQ, but again, we didn't get a retest today, so I didn't take the trade today. But that's literally the strategy, bro. 50 point stop on NQ, 100 point TP on NQ, and that's it. I run it. I did multiple back tests, checking different types of risk management. As of right now, the 50 point is the best one that I found. But again, do with that information what you wish. And yeah, that's how I've been making money. I also have another strategy, but right now I don't have any space for my other model, so I'm actually running this one right now primarily, because it is so simple. And even if I'm on the go, I can take this trade, or if I'm in a rush, I need to leave my crib, I have things to do in the morning. This trade is fairly easy to set up, not much to think about, stress about, not mistakes that you can really make. And the numbers have just been giving recently this year better than any other year that we backtested as well. So if you have any questions on that, check the link in the top of the description. Join up. Start changing your trading. Make it simpler than ever. Be consistent. Stop changing your risk. Use funded accounts. Use the right funded accounts. I personally use the 50K starter from my funded futures. It's the best one. This stuff, it's really the easiest account. That's why they removed the 100K and the 150K, because it was way too overpowered. And if they had those, bro, I would be rinsing these accounts right now. But again, this month is probably going to be my biggest trading month yet. And hopefully we'll have a 10K month soon. But yeah, other than that, I'll see you guys. It was a pretty short video. Just want to break that down for you guys and understand that all you need is a simple strategy. Be consistent with it. Risk the same amount every single day, and you will see some results if you are on the profitable end of it. But don't be discouraged when you end up on a loss streak, because even profitable strategies have losses, and loss streaks, you can't win every single trade. So other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, comment, and like. Peace.